Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your design files using GitHub for version control step by step clearly. Ensure you have a GitHub account created. Download and install Git if you haven't already. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the folder where your design files are located. Type git init to initialize a new Git repository. Create a new file called .gitignore. Open the .gitignore file in a text editor. Add files and folders you want to exclude from version control. Save and close the .gitignore file. Now, return to your terminal. Use the command git add to stage all your files for commit. Next, type git commit m initial commit to commit your changes. Go to GitHub and create a new repository. Copy the URL of the new repository. Back in your terminal, link your local repository to GitHub using git remote add origin URL. Replace URL with the repository URL you copied. Push your initial commit to GitHub using git push origin master. From now on, when you modify any files, use git add file to stage them. Commit your changes with git commit m. Describe your changes. Push your updates to GitHub with git push. Continue this process each time you make significant changes to your designs. You can check the history of your changes using git log. If you need to revert to a previous version, use git checkout commit_hash. This way, you will maintain version control over your design files effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.